In this video, we're going to take a look at an auto staking project that offers 2.29% daily fixed ROI. Let's hop straight into it. Alright, so the project is called Aurora Finance, and we're taking a look at their Twitter here. First, 2,600 followers. This is built on the Avalanche blockchain, and they did a burn report yesterday, which was 35% of the total supply. $271,000. Taking a look at the chart here, this project has been around for about 28 days. It did go as high as 241. It's definitely been on a slow decline, but it bottomed out at 6 cents and back all the way up at 23 cents. It's about 20% in 24 hour, and it's at a $1.3 million market cap. So it's good to see that they are sticking with it. So taking a look at their website, it's pretty unique. I like it a lot. It's really cool, but there is low risk with the insurance fund they have. And of course, because it's an auto staking protocol, you get paid every 15 minutes and 96 times daily. There's anti-dumping daily limits, which we will take a look at in the docs. Top of the website, you can already see that they were audited by Solidity Finance. The Aurora Insurance Fund serves as an insurance fund to achieve price stability and long-term sustainability of the Aurora protocol by maintaining a consistent 0.02 reflection rate paid to all Aurora token holders. The thing that I like is the black hole, which is 2.5% of all Aurora traded are burnt in the black hole. The more Aurora that is traded, the more Aura that is burnt in the black hole. Of course, reducing the circulating supply and making it a deflationary project. Aurora Smart Investor Protection System protects liquidity pools from bots and malicious whales, making it the safest reflection token to own. Wallets are only allowed to buy and sell a certain number of tokens per day. So the insurance fund here says how it works. 5% of all trading fees are stored in the insurance fund, and then the Aurora liquidity turbine will automatically inject liquidity into the market every 8 hours. There's a 4% tax fee on each buy or sell transaction that's automatically stored in the alt wallet, and built into the smart contract is a mechanism that automatically takes 50% of the amount of Aurora stored in the wallet and converts it to USDC, and that will make the liquidity pair and inject it every 8 hours. So the maximum amount of tokens you can even have in a wallet is 0.5% of the circulating supply, and then 0.1% of the circulating supply is the most you can do in a selling outgoing transfer every 24 hours. And then for the tokenomics, there's a 14% tax on the buy, pretty hefty, 18% on the sell, 4% into the LP, 5% into the insurance fund, 2.5% in the treasury, and 2.5% gets burnt. And then for the sell tax, it's 4% in the LP, 5% in the insurance fund, 5% in the treasury, and then of course 2.5% is burnt, and then an additional 1.5% of the fees go to an NFT fund. Then they have a comparison to Titano and Libero. And now hopping into the docs, this goes over a lot of what we saw on the website. Now, it does say here in the docs that after the first 12 months, the interest reflection rate is reduced. You only get so you only get this huge percentage number in the first year. But of course, it needs to last that first year. Who knows if it'll even make it. And actually, it says right here, they have a light year component that will pay Aura token holders compound interest in perpetuity. And of course, not financial advice. If you want to get invested in this project, make sure you do your research, look at the project, read through all the docs, make sure you know what you're getting into. The max supply is 30 billion. The initial supply is 3 million, and the tokens for liquidity is 2.5 million. Team tokens is 500,000, and in total, $50,000 was raised in the pre-launch funding among the team. Liquidity is locked via team finance. Down the road, they're going to release a collection of spaceship NFTs. Each space fleet will be extremely limited with a unique artwork for each spacecraft. Doesn't give anything else about the rewards or anything like that. And then here is the roadmap. Nothing too special. Aurora Finance is a pretty solid auto staking project that offers some great returns and has some solid tokenomics. If you want to check another stream of crypto passive income, watch this video next right here.